Hello people, this is KP and I welcome you to the Python series. We are into the 20th video. Okay, so we are going to see today about Python dictionaries. So what is dictionary? It is another data structure, another built-in kind of data structure of Python. So we have seen about list, then we have seen about tuple, then in the last video we have seen about set and its varieties of methods, and now finally we have reached at dictionary. So let me write some of the key definition kind of thing. So what is a dictionary? So dictionaries are used to store data in a key value pair. Okay, so let me write. I'm writing just D as a dictionary. Okay, just think D is equals to dictionary. Okay, so D is used. It means I'm saying dictionary is used to store data in a key value pair. Okay, this is one thing. And some more things about dictionary. You can think dictionary is a collection. What I can say, dictionary is a collection which is ordered, or RDERAD. So set is unordered, but dictionary is an ordered collection. Okay, and it's changeable, changeable. Okay, and anything, yes, it does not allow duplicates. Okay, and does not allow duplicates, I mean duplicate elements. Okay, anything else, also it allows different types of element, different multiple different varieties, like you can just put string or maybe integer, maybe float. Okay, all these things are allowed. Okay, so D allows multiple different values. Okay, so let me just give an example. So suppose how to declare a dictionary. Okay, so I'm just giving one variable, suppose my D for dictionary. Okay, this is my dictionary. So we use curly braces. Okay, this is used for set also, but here we have elements in key value pair. Okay, so I can write, suppose I am writing about my details. Okay, so I want to write my first name. So let me write f name, then just put a colon, then this is my first name KP, and comma, this is first element. Okay, this is the key and this is the value, so this entire thing is my first element. Okay, so I told you already key value pair. Okay, so this is the key value pair, one element. Then I am putting my last name, that is L name. Okay, last name colon, what is my last name? My last name is Sahu. Okay, anything else, let me put something called my contact number. I'm putting my contact colon, suppose I want to give integers, so I don't require this. Okay, so I'm putting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, anything else, suppose I'm putting also my location, I'm from India, so I'm putting IN. Okay, so this is my dictionary. How to check? If I do type of my D, so it is a dictionary kind of data. Okay, data structure, DICT. So if I just print my D, so you got the entire thing. So if you know something called JSON, JavaScript object notation kind of thing, so also JSON uh, takes the format something like this. Okay, there we have a huge amount of data, so we can also format this, or you can just write this same thing. I'm just copying, and let me show you how you can write in an easy way. Okay, so this is one thing. Now just put enter here, and after comma I am putting another enter, and again after this comma I am putting another enter, again comma I am putting enter, and finally you can do this. Okay, so you can also write in this way. This is my key first name, this is my value kp, so this is my key contact and this is my value. So if you have huge amount of data, you can write in this way also. This is more readable than writing everything in a single line. Okay, so also you can put one more comma here. Okay, because it accept multiple values, so normally we just put one more comma, that is no issue. If you put or don't put, it won't create any issues. Okay, so if I just type here type and my d, so it's a dictionary kind of data. Okay, so you can write in this way also, or you can write in this way also. I prefer to write in this way, this is more readable. Okay, this is one thing. So anything else? Suppose I want to just print only my contact number. How to print? I can do myd, this is my dictionary name, and I will just give the key so that I will get my value. I am putting contact, just execute. See here, I got my contact number. Okay, and anything else? Let me show you. Dictionary does not keep any what duplicate values. How I can just prove you? I'm just copying this entire thing. Okay, and I'm pasting it over here. And let me do one thing, I'm just putting this first name and last name again. I'm copying this and putting again, and my location I'm just copying again and putting it over here. Okay, so I have given the location keyword or this element two times, also I have given this name two times. Okay, now I'm executing it, and you can see here, let me do print print my d, just execute. Yes, you can see the same thing. Okay, no changes because it does not allow multiple items, I mean duplicate items. Okay, so how to check the length? You can just do this len, and this is my d. So there are four elements. Okay, this is one element, this is second element, and this is third element, and finally this is fourth element. So in this element, this is the key, this is the value. All right, so that's all guys for this video. We have seen about Python dictionary kind of data type. Okay, so just practice till this. In the next video we are going to see some more methods about it, and take care till then. Bye bye, stay safe, stay healthy. Okay.